Today I will try to deploy Jenkins Helm community chart on OpenShift. Uh, we will make sure like we will run it as a non-root user, so we don't have to do any special, or we have to provide any special permission related to any UID to a service account. Okay, so currently I have this project Jenkins over there. I don't have anything as of now. So with the help of Helm, we will deploy the Helm chart, and I'm using this community Jenkins chart. Uh, okay, so I'm in this particular path where chart is present. Okay, let's run with the help of Helm. Okay, Helm command is executed. So as per this, it is showing like you can access the secret or admin password, and if you want you can forward the traffic to, so you can browse the Jenkins. Okay, let's check the test status in our OpenShift. So Jenkins is stateful set. It is displaying over here. Let's check the events. As per the events, it is saying like we are trying to use the user with ID 1000, but this is not allowed. So then OpenShift by default uses namespace UID that is randomly assigned. Okay, to fix this, we will do some more modification in our Helm chart. So we can go directly into values.yml file, and over here we have to remove these two lines. Okay, and then we have to say like we will be running this as a non-root user. And one more change in stateful set. So so we have to remove this as well at the global level, like over here this Helm chart provided the default value to 0, so we don't want that particular thing, so we will comment this particular section from line number 86 to 108. Okay, let's try to redeploy and check if we are getting some different error or it is getting deployed. Okay, now we can see revision 2 is getting got deployed, and uh, we can see a successful message. And let's check our pod status. So as per this we are getting error, and if we go to init container, and over here it is saying it requires a read permission on this directory path, that is /.cache. Okay, to fix this as well we have to modify this stateful set. So for that I have done some change. I will just uncomment. So what we are doing over here is in the volume mount section we are, sorry, first we will create a volume. Okay, so in the volume section we will create empty directory, and then with init container we will mount this to this path, that is /.cache, and we are mounting this to init container. Okay, again we will deploy. Okay, then now revision 3 is available. Let's check our status. Okay, it is saying so what we can do, we can just delete these ones and check if we are getting error or any success. So as part of init container, we are not getting any error. Okay, so init part is successful. Let's check our Jenkins status. Okay, Jenkins is fully up and running. We will just try to access with port forwarding, and then we will generate the password, and we will just check if Jenkins is running or not. Okay, so instead of kubectl, we have to use oc command. Okay, we will generate the password as well for admin. Okay, now we have the password, and this will be our URL, that is localhost. So default username is admin and password is getting generated at runtime. We will just copy this password and sign in. Okay, Jenkins is running. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any doubt. Please comment in the comment section. Thank you.